She's working okay. Next step up is racing carburetors. Now, since the bike was acting erratically because I hadn't got the alternator or the flywheel on correctly, that was been my problem, because I've gone through most every problem this bike could have, and I could not understand why it's getting too hot. It wasn't working. The thing was that the cotter key was, or the keyway was not in properly. The flywheel was getting loose, fucking up the magnetic field, fucking up the timing, and that's what happened. But I want to tell you the good thing, folks, and my friends out there. I worked all last summer, 400 videos trying to get this to work right. I couldn't get it to work, and it got cold out, and I was just going to give up. So I was putting it away. I thought I'd have to rebuild it. After I put it away, this is what happened. After I put it away, I went over to my wife, and I told her that I was kind of not feeling too good, and she let me buy this CBR 600. So the CBR 600 works. The Zuma works, and my gyro works. And instead of rebuilding the entire bike over here, all I got to do is adjust the carburetor. That's what I think, anyway. I'll have to adjust the carburetor by putting another one on there and getting it to where I want it. Then what I'll do is, I have the other panels at home, the side panels and the front panel here. And I've got to cut a special spot for this. There's just no other way I can do that. But what I can do is say, okay, I've got this fill thing that's sticking down the outside of the bike. How can I make it look badass and custom and dangerous and high performance? Because it's just a water spout. I really like the way these mirrors are. I put these mirrors this way to put it in the garage. It looks like a cat with his ears back. It looks totally cool. So the bike runs. Gotta turn the gas off. Now I have to adjust the carburetor. And my friends out there, if any of you have a big bore intake, the $150 one, if you could take some pictures of it, you know, upside down, right side up. I want to see the difference between it and the regular ones that I have. Or Steve, if you got one out there, VT, I'd love to see it. Anyway, the adventure continues. Love that pipe. God, I should make a porno.